electromagnetic spectrum. Transmission of energy through a vacuum or using no medium is accomplished by electromagnetic waves. They propagate at a constant speed of 3 into 10 raised to power 8 miles per second. They are also called electromagnetic radiation, light, or photons. We now know that electromagnetic waves include visible light waves, X-rays, gamma rays, radio waves, ultraviolet, microwaves, and infrared waves. Radio waves. Radio waves are produced by accelerated motion of charges in conducting wires. Radio waves have wavelengths longer than infrared light. These waves have frequency range from 500 kHz to about 1000 MHz. The AM amplitude modulated band is from 530 kHz to 1710 kHz. Higher frequencies up to 54 MHz are used for shortwave bands. TV signals use frequencies from 54 MHz to 890 MHz. The FM frequency modulated radio band extends from 88 MHz to 108 MHz. Cellular phones use radio waves in the ultra-high frequency UHF band. Microwaves. Microwaves within gigahertz are produced by special vacuum tubes called klystrons, magnetrons, and gun diodes. Microwaves fall in between radio and infrared light. Microwaves have frequencies ranging from about 3 GHz (GHz) up to about 30 THz and wavelengths of about 30 cm to 3 mm. Microwaves are produced by special devices such as klystrons, magnetrons, and gun diodes. They are also suitable for the radar systems used in aircraft navigation. Radar guns are used to time fast balls, tennis serves, and automobiles. Microwave ovens are very useful applications of these waves. In such ovens, the frequency of the microwaves is selected to match the resonant frequency of water molecules so that energy from the waves is transferred efficiently to the kinetic energy of the molecules. This raises the temperature of any food containing water. Infrared waves. Infrared rays are produced by hot bodies and molecules. This band lies adjacent to low frequency or long wavelength end of the visible spectrum. Infrared IR falls in the range of the EM spectrum between microwaves and visible light. It has frequencies from about 3 GHz up to about 400 THz and wavelengths of about 30 cm to 740 nanometers. All objects on Earth emit IR radiation or heat, which can be detected by electronic sensors such as those used in night vision goggles and infrared cameras. A TV remote control uses IR waves to change channels, etc. Everything with a temperature above about 5 degrees Kelvin emits IR radiation. Infrared lamps are used in physical therapy. Infrared radiation also plays an important role in maintaining the Earth's warmth or average temperature through the greenhouse effect. Visible rays. It is the most familiar form of electromagnetic waves. This part of the spectrum lies between infrared and ultraviolet regions. It runs from about 4 into 10 to the power 14 Hz to about 7 into 10 to the power 14 Hz, or a wavelength range of about 700 to 400 nanometer. Our eyes are sensitive to this range of wavelengths. Ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet UV light has shorter wavelengths than visible light. It covers wavelengths ranging from about 4 into 10 to power minus 7 m to 6 into 10 to power minus 10 m. Ultraviolet UV radiation is produced by special lamps and very hot bodies. Large amount of UV is produced by welding arcs. Although UV waves are invisible to the human eye, some insects, such as bumblebees, can see them. The sun is a source of the full spectrum of ultraviolet radiation, which is commonly subdivided into UVA, UVB, and UVC. High-precision narrow beams of UV rays are used in LASIK eye surgery. X-rays. X-rays lie beyond the UV region of the electromagnetic spectrum. It covers wavelengths from about 10 to power minus 8 m, 10 nm, down to 10 to power minus 13 m, 10 to power minus 4 nm. X-rays are used as a diagnostic tool in medicine. It is also used in treatment for certain forms of cancer. Gamma rays. Gamma rays lie in the upper frequency range of the electromagnetic spectrum and have wavelengths range from about 10 to power minus 10 m to less than 10 to power minus 14 m. CO60 gamma rays are used in medicine to destroy cancer cells.